Yesterday we were talking about true and false equations. And we were talking about making addition or subtraction number sentences or equations true. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple practice problems first of those kind, and then we'll move on to our work for today. Okay? Gage, question.
I can't see you.
You can't see me. Who can see me? Give me a thumbs up. Let me try to duck out and come back in. Now, can you see me? Yep. Good. Thumbs up. All right, let's solve a couple problems. Okay. Remember, we're determining if they are addition equations. Okay, don't forget our little tricks we talked about yesterday. Are they addition or are they subtraction? Okay, that's what we're talking about today. Or that's what we talked about yesterday. Sorry. Okay. So I would like you to take the time, write those both down. I'm going to do a show me your work. Make sure you have your cameras on so I can see you. We're doing 15. Is it plus or minus 9 equals 6? And 7. Is it plus or minus 5 equals 12? I'd like you to solve both of those, and when you finish, give me your best fishy face. Fishy face. Give me your best fishy face.
About Christopher right now. He's pretty upset.
All right, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Thank you, Journey. Thank you, Aubrey. If I say your name, you can put it down. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, Grayson. Thank you, Riley, George, Zoe, Darren, Easy, Vita, Gage, Bristol, and Emmy. Good job. All right, let me put out some dojo points for you.
You got me.
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Okay, you gotta solve them though, Alani. I wanted to see them solved, girly. You gotta put those equations in there. You gotta put the plus or minus. So, who could read me my first equation up here? Who could read it to me? Go for it, Vita.
15 minus 9 equals 6.
Good. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Good job. Who could read me my second sentence? Number sentence. Go for it, Darren.
7 equals 5
7 plus or minus.
plus 5 equals 12.
Good. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Great job. So that is what we did yesterday. Today, I'm going to have a bunch of addition equations. Okay, we're going to go through a couple together first, and then I'm going to have you solve them. And I'm going to make my board, I'm going to divide it into fourths. I divided it into fourths. And I'm going to write 4 addition equations here. And what we're going to determine is if they're true, which is a thumbs up, or if they're false. Okay, so you don't have to write these ones down. We're going to do thumbs up and thumbs down. The next set you will have to write down. Okay, and I'll give you lots of time. No worries.
My head.
Okie dokie. Now, let's look at our first equation here. We're determining if it's true, thumbs up, or false, thumbs down. So, if the equations are true, I'm going to circle them with green. If they are false, I'm going to circle them with brown. Brown. Okay? Brown. It's like the poop emoji. Okay. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Show me by thumbs up. Is that true or is that false? Show me. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Think about mental math. Put 5 in your head. Add 2. 6. So is it true, thumbs up, or false? That's right. Great job, Riley. That is correct. It is true. It is thumbs up. It is true. True. Good girls and boys. Ta-da. Okay, let's go to my next one down here. 6 plus 3 equals 11. Is that true, thumbs up, or false, thumbs down? 6 plus 3 equals 11. Put 6 in your head. Count on 3 more. 7, 8. Does that equal 11? True or false? That's right, it's false! Good job! Kiss your brains, that's right. It is false. I made a poop emoji. It is false! Ugh, it smells. That's right, it is not correct, it is bad. George Priest, stop giving yourselves kisses on the brains. Those are only assigned by teachers. I'm watching you, boy. Stop right now. Okay. Who could tell me, let's do this one up here. 4 plus 2 equals 10. Is that true or false? Whoa, I saw a lot of quick responses. Put 4 in your head. Add 2 more. Does that equal 10? 4 plus 2, does that equal 10? True or false? That's right, that is another poop emoji. That is false. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, I ran out of room to make my poop. That is false. Good job. Ew, it really smells. Okay, last one on our board. 3 plus 10. Now remember, even though the smaller number is here, you can put the bigger number in your brain first and then add 3. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. Is that true or false? 3 plus 10. Remember, even though the smaller number is first, you can put 10 in your head and add 3. You can just flop it around. It's a fact family. Is it true or false? 3 plus 10 equals 13. So if I put 10 in my head, 11. Is that true or false? That is true! Yeah! Woohoo! That is true. 3 plus 10 does equal 13. Okay? For the next one, we're only going to do 2 at a time. Duck out and come back in if you can't see me. Duck out and pop back in. Okay? We're only going to do 2 at a time instead of 4 because I think that's a little much. Just for a whole group lesson. Maybe in small group we'll do a couple more, but in whole group we're just going to do 2 at a time. Okay, so I'm going to divide my board in half, into halves. 1, 2. Okay?
Miss Cooper,
Yeah.
so are we going to draw these ones up?
Yes. I would like you to write these true or false equations. I want you to write both equations down, and then we're going to do different symbols for true and false. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good question. Okay, so we have 8 plus 8 equals 17. If you think it's wrong or if it's false, you're going to draw a rectangle around it. If you think it's true, draw a cloud around it. Okay, 9 plus 3 equals 12. If you think it's false, draw a rectangle around it. If you think it's true, draw a cloud around it. So you're writing both of those down. When you're finished, give me your best PU that smells face. That stinks.
Miss Cooper, I actually forgot. What do you do if it's not correct?
If it's false, we're drawing a box around it. If it's true, you're going to put like a cloud around it.
Alright.
You could also just put on your paper, you could put an F or a T. F for false, T for true. That works too. When you're finished, give me your best stinky face. PU that smells. Oh, I love that you're counting in your brain, Riley. Oh, Gage, something must really smell at your house. Zoe, I love that face. Oh, that was funny, Zoe. Alrighty, show me your work. Show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Awesome. That's right. So who could raise their hand and tell me, is 8 plus 8 equals 17 true or false? Who could tell me? Zoe.
8 plus 8 equals 17 is false.
It's false. And I am still going to do, it's just going to be a Minecraft poop emoji because everything is blocks. That's right. That is false. Bad equation. Who could tell me about my next problem? My next number sentence. Riley, go for it, girl.
9 plus 3 equals 12 is true.
That's right. And she was someone I didn't mean to call you out though, Riley, but I was watching her in the corner and she was putting that number in her head and I could watch her count. And then she'd write the number down. So she was even writing what would be true for this equation. Okay, so that was good. I liked that. Good job, Riley. Kiss your brain. Right, so this is true. Fantastic job. Okay. All right, let's do some more. Let's do some more.
Miss Cooper,
Yes.
your Minecraft poop looked like a birthday cake.
It kind of did look like a birthday cake. That would be a smelly birthday cake, though. If it was truly made of a poop emoji. Ooh. Dung beetles would like it, though, huh? From our reading lesson. Dung beetles would like the poopy birthday cake.
Now they would be like, happy birthday poop cake to you.
Yes. Oh, yeah, definitely. Okay. Okay, write those equations down. 15 plus 5 equals 18, and 12 plus 3 equals 11. Same thing, if you want to, you can put a rectangle around, or you can just write an F. If it's true, you can do a little cloud shape, or you can just put a T. Up to you. Up to you, my little smarty McSmartersons. Yes, you're smart. Don't say you're not.
What do we do when we're done?
Ooh, give me your best duck face.
What kind of face?
A duck face. Quack. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
All right, show me your work. En tres, dos, uno. Awesome sauce. Who could read me my first equation? Who could read it to me? Who could read me my first equation? Go for it, Journey.
15 plus 5 equals 18. It's false.
It is false. Good job. Gonna draw another poo-poo cake. Because it's false. Does anyone know what 15 plus 5 equals? What does 15 plus 5 equal? Riley?
12 plus 3 equals 11. It's true.
Okay, wait. What about 15 plus 5? What is 15? I'll get to you on the second one. What does 15 plus 5 equal? Does anyone know what 15 plus 5 equals? Easy. What does 15 plus 5 equal?
It equals 20.
It equals 20. So that's another way to know that it's false. Good job. That's right. That's how we know. Okay. Riley. I'm going to call on someone else for the second one, okay? Because I called on you the last time. Okay. Who could read me my second equation? Cameron.
12 plus 3 is false.
12 plus 3 equals...
Equals 11 is false.
Is false. Right. I'm going to draw another poo-poo cake. Okay. It is false. Who could tell me what 12 plus 3 equals? Who could raise their hand and tell me what 12 plus 3 equals? What does 12 plus 3 equal? Alice, what does 12 plus 3 equal? 15. Good job. That is correct. Now, for your seesaw activity, what you'll have is you have a huge big screen. I'm going to show it to you, okay?